Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play throwball. Throwball is an exciting non-contact team sport played with a ball similar to volleyball. Two teams, each with 7 players, compete on a rectangular court divided by a net. The main goal is to throw the ball over the net, aiming for the opponent's side, while preventing them from returning it successfully. Players must catch the ball cleanly and throw it back without any dribbling or holding. Let's dive into the basic rules and scoring. A typical throwball match is played over 3 sets, and the first team to win 2 sets secures the victory. Each set is played to 25 points, but you must have a clear 2-point lead to win it. Players initiate play by serving the ball, throwing it from behind the baseline over the net. Teams rotate their positions clockwise on the court after they win the serve back from their opponents. Understanding player positions and common fouls is key to playing well. Players are assigned specific positions on the court, with 3 players typically positioned near the net. Be aware of fouls like holding the ball for too long, dribbling it, or making contact with the net during play. Remember, the ball must be thrown with one hand, not pushed or scooped. Also, stepping over the baseline while serving is considered a foul, resulting in a point for the other team. To excel at throwball, focus on essential skills and appropriate attire. Accurate throwing, quick catching, and strategic positioning are vital for success. For comfortable play, players should wear athletic shorts and a light jersey, allowing for full range of motion. Developing good court awareness and fostering strong teamwork are also crucial elements. Consistent practice of various throwing techniques will significantly enhance your overall game performance and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.